Howdy, this is Caucasian Mark, whitest dude on the internet, and today we're continuing our discussion about tables. It's not the most exciting, but I think it's fun to know. We're going to be discussing table headers, table bodies, and table footers. And so, rather than just talk about it, let's do it. So let's make a table header. Now, what's the point of it? Now, we have a table row here, right? Then we have a table row here and a table row here. But what if we wanted to group things a bit more succinctly and exact to what we want to focus on, say with JavaScript, CSS, or any other technology we may want to use? So we could come in here and typethead, and then down below we could end thead down here. It stands for table header. Now this is a way of grabbing, all of these right here. So, okay, so we have that. And so what could we do next? Well, we could continue with this. We could do T body. We're going to come down, and this should be, yes, we only have 2 rows there. /T body. So we end it all right here. Now, we have all this good, cool, fun, awesome. Now what does it do? Why is it important to surround all this stuff with a bigger tag? It's certainly not styling it any differently over here, but I'll show you. Say we wanted to do something like, I know we have the TD above right here, but let's just use it again. So let's do background color aqua, I think was one. Coming over, and it affects, coming in here. Look at the wrong thing. So we come in here, and now it's all blue. Now, you could come into each row and give it like a different ID. You could do like ID equals this thingy. But you don't want to do that. That's way too much work, especially if a lot of data coming in, right? So instead of doing a table row and then having a bunch of class, like a class, identifiers, whatever you want to have, you could come in here and do thead. And now you see over here, it's aqua. And if you want to come down into, down here, do T body, do a background color, you could do gray. And we have that right there. Now that's cool. But so we've done the head. We've done the body. Now let's do a footer. So now that we know we're expecting it here, actually, T body. See what I mean about it being forgiving right there? It had ending of the body tag twice and it still worked. So let's come down and do T foot. End that out right there. Cool. Awesome. Now we're going to still have a table row, and then we're going to have table data, and let's just say we're just going to leave that blank there. Table data, leave that blank there, and then we want to just kind of add everything together. So this is $1.50. I mean, you want to plan everything out. You want to have like a total over here as well, but it doesn't really matter much. You come over here, and then you have this. So the table foot up here, the T foot, background color could be red. We have that down here. And it's just a way to group things together for your CSS or JavaScript, jQuery, or other kind of language, but it's a nice practice to have because you don't want to go and individually create IDs for all of these headers or all of this data or specific rows. Typically, when it comes to tables, you just want conformity amongst all the rows, or just amongst the header or other information. So thanks for stopping by watching this video. Like, share, subscribe, all that other jazz, and I'll see you in the next one.